Welcome to another video, Walk on the Wild Side, and it's bonfire night here in Blackpool. I am heading towards Blackpool Cricket Club and I thought I'd do a little video for you there, show you the fireworks that they're going to be showing, and they've got a bonfire as well and all the other stuff that's going on. So I thought I'd bring that to you, although you are watching this most likely on the Saturday or thereafter. So let's go and check it out, shall we? So I'm on West Park Drive at the moment, which goes round the west side of Stanley Park. Quite a posh part of town actually, and the cricket club is just up here at the northwest end of Stanley Park, so I'm making my way over there. I think it's going to be quite busy. We'll see what it's like when we get there, shall we? This is Stanley Park over here. We've got some playing fields all lit up, there's people in there playing on the all weather pitches, as you can see over there, here in Stanley Park, Blackpool. Okay, now I can hear quite a lot of music coming from there, so that might cause copyright issues with this video, so I might have to do something about that. We'll do what we can, but yeah, it looks like it's going to be really busy because there's lots of people making their way up here towards the cricket club. So yeah, I think it's going to be pretty rammed in there. We'll find out, shall we? Yeah, it's very busy for traffic as well. There's cars parked all the way along here, anywhere they can get a space along the West Park Drive. Yeah, it's very, very busy. It's just coming up towards 7 o'clock. I think the bonfire is going to be lit at 7:30, so we'll be seeing that, and the fireworks are on at 8 o'clock, so we'll see those as well. Now then, we're getting closer. Here we are. We're going to go in this way to the cricket club. It's not the way I normally go in, it's not the main entrance, but this is going to be the way in for this event tonight. Look at all these people, wow. I think it costs £5 to get in. We're in the queue now. Yeah, it's mad. There we go.
Just two, tenner please.
Yeah. Going in. We're now heading towards the Blackpool Cricket Club pitch. Yeah, look at this. And this is, I don't know if you can see, it's going to be really dark, but this is a ground that they have played championships on. We'll listen to that music over there. I'll have to keep talking, it's very loud. Yeah, so I know it's quite dark, but we're now looking over the pitch here. There's people on the pitch there. They think it's all over. Yeah, so they have played county matches on here. It is quite an impressive club actually. Yeah, so there you go. They're lighting the fire soon, I'm sure. I don't know if you can see this, but they've even got the stand. There's people on the stands here, ready to watch the fireworks show when that gets going. That music is really, really loud, by the way. I don't know how many people there are here, but there must be at least a couple of thousand at the moment. Wow. This is the main pavilion here at Blackpool Cricket Club here. Very, very impressive building actually. Yeah, look at all these people. Absolutely mental. I hope that music doesn't cause copyright issues. It's really loud. Okay, so we're now by the stalls and the food outlets, and it is absolutely rammed with queues for the food. Absolutely massive. Look at this. It's packed around here. Yeah, just check this out. This is absolutely crazy. I can't believe this. Amazing. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this, but the fire is over here. It's at the eastern end of the ground here, and we've got some guys Throwing a load of red diesel on it here, you can see here. So the fire is going to be lit anytime soon. It's going to be pretty big. Yeah, so we'll be filming that for you when they set that off. Oh, now look at this now. Oh, they're going to be starting the fire. Oh, they're starting it. Here they are. They put some red diesel on it. I saw them just before. Look at this. Oh, it's massive. Yeah, check this out. There's a lot of pallets on there. Yeah, this is going to be going soon. Look at this. Here they go. The fire is starting here at Blackpool Cricket Club. Bonfire Night 2021. This is the Bonfire. Check this out. We'll be feeling the heat from this soon, I'm sure. Yeah, oh, that's going. Look at that. That's that diesel for you, yeah? Yeah. And he says that we're 45 minutes away from the fireworks. So that's something else to look forward to as well. Yeah, we've got a big crowd here now for the fire, which is starting to get going now. Look at this. Oh, I can feel the heat off that now. Check this out now, it's absolutely raging now. Yeah, everybody's come over here now to see us as well.
I can't bring the flames down now, Mel.
Yeah, that is quite impressive, that fire. Now those flames must be 30 odd feet into the... Yeah, look at that, wow. Yeah, it's really going now. I tell you what, I think I'll be getting a tan at this rate. I can really feel the heat off that fire. Yeah, amazing. The fireworks coming very soon now. Look at all these people though. There you go, the fireworks now. Just look at all these people, isn't it amazing? going on for ages. I might have had to cut that down a bit for the video, but that went on for about 25 minutes. That firework display, yeah, it was pretty awesome. It lasted a lot longer than the World Championships, I have to say. Yeah, I'll just show you the fire now. The fire's... People are going to be piling out of here now. It's going to be a bit of a stampede, but now here's the fire. What's left of it. You can still feel the heat of it.
Don't forget to add us on Facebook, use the social media hashtag Blackpool Cricket Club. Find out all the fantastic events going on in 2022. Have a great remainder of the year. Thank you.
Well, I think you can tell that I'm facing the fire again now, and I can really feel the heat. I think I'll have a tan tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you like this video from Blackpool Cricket Club here of the bonfire night. And the fireworks are absolutely amazing. I thought I'd film it for you. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you do, hit the like button and also hit subscribe and tick the bell for notifications of new videos. And I will see you again on the next one.